Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to Elimu TV, the #1 station where you watch and learn. Today I'll be taking you through Biology Form 3. Our topic today is growth and development. Our subtopic is primary and secondary growth. Our subtopic is primary and secondary growth. This is lesson 35 and I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino. Stay tuned. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to, number 1, identify the region of primary and secondary growth on the root, identify the region of primary and secondary growth in the root, and number 2, you have to draw and label the longitudinal section of a root tip. You will be able to draw and label the longitudinal section of a root tip. So as we have said earlier, that primary growth takes place in either the apical meristems or the meristems of the roots. The apical meristems of the shoot and the roots. Good. So as you can see, this is the picture of our root. This is the picture of our root. We have the root cap. The root cap protects the apical meristem. The root cap protects what? The apical meristem. After the root cap, we have the area of cell division. Area of cell division, and we said that area of cell division, this is whereby what happens? There is mitotic cell division. The cell divides mitotically and hence increases in number. So in area of cell division, there is a mitotic division of cells. So there is an increase in number of cells in the area of cell division. We are followed by area of elongation. Can you see our diagram? From the area of cell division, we go to the region of elongation. You can see the region of elongation, and in the region of elongation, we said that the cells expand. The cells expand or enlarge, leading to an increase in its size. So the size of the organism increases, the size of the root increases, because in the region of elongation, the cells here expand. The cells here does what? Expand. After region of elongation, we have the region of maturation. You can also call it the region of maturation. In the region of maturation, we have, can you see the root hairs? The root hairs are found where? In the region of maturation. Good. The root hairs are found in the region of maturation. We have the vascular cylinder. You can see the vascular cylinder develops in the region of maturation. We said that in the region of maturation, this is whereby cells are differentiated. They are differentiated and then they are specialized. Each cell is specialized to perform its own function. Each cell is specialized to form tissues. Do you remember tissues in Form 1? So in the region of maturation, that's where you get the root hairs. And we know the function of the root hair is to increase the surface area for absorption of water. And we know we have, in the region of maturation, we have the phloem, and the function of the phloem is to do what? To transport what? Manufactured food. And then we also have the xylem that transports the water and mineral salts. So in the region of maturation, cells here are specialized to perform what? A specific function. Now, and you've seen very well, this is the longitudinal section of a root tip. We have the apical meristem, and in the apical meristem we have the cell division, followed by the area of elongation, finally followed by the area of maturation, whereby we have the root hair and the vascular cylinder. The root cap, you have to remember, is on the region of cell division. We've come to the end of our lesson. And I have an assignment for you. Please Identify the region of primary and secondary growth on the root. Identify the region of primary and secondary growth on the root. Number 2, draw and label the longitudinal section of the root tip. Draw and label the longitudinal section of the root tip. For reference, you can study KLB Secondary Biology Student Book 3. You can study KLB Secondary Biology Student Book 3. For this and more, guys, you can contact us through our SMS number is 0723144259. On YouTube, you can get us at Elimu TV. On Facebook, Elimu TV, and finally on Twitter at Elimu TV _KE.